Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Welcome to the middle of the month. This is the month of July, and this is the time where we take a moment to look back in our memory planners. So here today for you, I have a June memory planner walkthrough. Let's get started. Okay guys, so those of you who do memory planner, I just want to share, this was my insert for April, May, and June, and it is almost complete. So close. I have a couple of spots that still need some of my time and attention, and I hope to get to that soon. Boy, if you're in summertime wherever you live and it's been as busy as mine, I don't know. I guess this thing should be bulging. It's just been a crazy, crazy season. But we're here to talk about June, so let me get into where June basically starts in here. So, memory planner is an idea of where you kind of take the planner kind of idea by looking at a day at a time, but memory. So it's something that's already happened in the past. And this is a concept by Heidi Swapp. And this is using items from the Heidi Swapp shop, as well as her Stop the Blur monthly subscription base class, which is also available every month, as well as a Stop the Blur memory planner kit. So what you're seeing in here will be June's kit. It's no longer available, but July's kit is, and we are going to take a peek at that. So I kind of went ahead and ended, well, the month just kind of ran, May just kind of ran right into June. So you're looking at the end of May here, and I probably went ahead and peaked this in my last video. This is an entire series on my channel. Every 15th or so, hopefully, of the month, I'm in here talking about memory planner. So if you're not already a subscriber and you'd be interested in more of that, you might want to check out being a subscriber, as well as being a part and taking a look at that series, which I will also include in the supply list. Okay, so I had these dies that are ticket dies that were available a couple months ago. I tucked them into, what I had done is just made a little flip here with flowers underneath it. I have this mini clip that's from Tim Holtz, and then I just pop these tickets in there like so. And this drama-free zone is part of June's kit on this little circle journal spot. I made an envelope here. The envelope die is also from Heidi Swapp. And then another ticket shape is holding journaling. And then I just love these stamps. They're so fun. Drama free zone. Can I get that just like emblazoned on my wall as you walk into my house? You didn't hear me ask that. And then Give Me Just a Minute was super fun. This tape though, the tape from June was fantastic. I so love that washi tape. And boy, if I didn't kill the alphas. Each Stop the Blur kit also comes with an alpha set. Let me see if I can grab what's left here. I always have the numbers left. There's like lots of numbers. The alphas, yeah, and I even had to make up numbers. Like I ran out of E's, so I used F's and cut up a part of the X to make an E. I'll show you where I did that. But I've just really enjoyed having like some title work with those alphas. This booklet here, now this is something you could make on your own, but it's just a bannered book. It's got, the cover is a little bit of a heavier cardstock, and then this graph paper that's inside, and it's just a great place to really have great real estate for photos and for story. There's still one more page in here. Isn't that fantastic? I didn't even get to that page yet. And then this was a fun little doohickey here. Are we allowed to say doohickey on YouTube? I wrote here Thursday hike days for summer, and I went ahead and cut the picture in a circle that fit on the front of this. And so that's how we basically wrapped up this last part of May, beginning June. But I'm looking here, this little number, this little notepad, oh my word, I never kill a notepad. I have 4 left. I loved these. See the little graph work on it? And that's what that is there. And then I just stamped it with the June agenda stamp from Heidi Swapp. This page is actually really simple. And there's going to be a couple pages. I have a whole spread in here that I think is kind of simple. We'll talk about that when I get to it. This is just a photo with journaling that I used sticker paper. I have a quote that's underneath this photo here. It's okay to not do it all. It's my goal lately to remember. Oh, Jamie, you don't have to do everything. But yeah, it's kind of hard sometimes to convince us of such. I had made this tag for the Heidi Swapp Stamps Instagram feed. It's actually in a reel there. And so I thought it was really fun to add it here as Travel the World, Travelog. My daughter had just come back from a trip abroad. So that was a fun way to just kind of celebrate that. Again, I just turned the journal spot here that way and added my journaling. I did a lot of repetitive work on this page, whereas I used the stamp set. Now, this stamp set is a favorite, and oh wow, can she remember? I think it's a July 2022 Stamp Society. I think I'll have it linked. This is a comeback stamp because the Stamp Society stamps, when they're gone on the 15th and a new one comes in, they're just gone, right? So I've been enjoying that, having been back in the shop and been playing with that. So I did find the beauty, progress, not perfection. And then I had a quote card up here. I had another quote card here, washi tape here, washi tape here. The little printable from June. This one said goals. This one said great news. And I just repeated a lot of things. I just had fun with that. It was kind of like, it kind of became a challenge. Like, how can I just repeat elements and create a cohesive look? Okay, we are in the first full week of June here. And photo, again, with that journal card. I used the, what are they called? The ghost tags. Can you see that? And I stapled a photo to it to add to my Tuesday, because that was a whole big thing right there. Garden pictures, boy, that's a thing for sure this time of year, me and garden pictures. Again, with that notched book, I stamped the top of it, throw kindness around like confetti. That was from June's Stamp Society, I'm pretty sure. And then I just went sideways with the journaling on here. And I really like that book. That was really a lot of fun. Here I have another hidden ghost tag, and I have a couple of photos, and that's so good. I think that's so fun there. And I have a couple of photos. I didn't realize I have this in here twice, but you know, who cares? I do have it in twice, but I just made this is a technique that Heidi has shared in her Stop the Blur video series, and I just used a ghost tag with it. Then over here, this tag is from Color Collective. I believe it's Peacock, and I actually tore it, and so it would fit here on this Friday, and I have several photos underneath it. Again, with repetitive elements here, the title work, and then the tag here, the rest of it I included here with my journaling, and then the printable there, take a deep breath. Here's a printable in black, and then I stamped here in black too. So that was how I repeated those elements. Then, of course, you shouldn't be surprised to see those journaling spots come up again and again. And boy, if I didn't love the definition stickers that were included also in June's kit. Those are just, we should have those in every kit. Can I get an amen? Now, this is a spread that is actually pretty simple. And it's not for lack of having things to say, or not really, it was kind of for lack of photos, but I had plenty of photos, but it just got to a place of, you know what? I have some things to say. I got plenty of room to say it. I just want to kind of tighten everything up a little bit. So what I did here is I crafted a pocket. Here's one of the dies from this die set. This is actually from ScrapbookCom, and this is the die that fits this pocket. Then this is from the same set. It's just a smaller pocket. And then for this here, I used several of the set sail. It's a collection from Heidi Swapp to make these little journal cards. And then this is from Color Collective, where I just put the little circle notch on top. Just made it easier to pull out of this pocket. And then additional journaling there. And so it was just a fun thing to do. today's stuff is part of June's printable. Take a deep breath was the July agenda stamp that had just come out this week. And I also took the liberty. Now, do you recognize this? This is one of the inserts from the book. I don't know which one I took it from. I might have taken it from. I took it from the pink one because I wanted. It has the same colored graph inside. So I took the pink one and I just added a lot of the stamps from the new stamp set just to kind of celebrate its existence. It was a fantastic stamp set. It's still available. It is not a subscriber situation. So I just thought that was fantastic and apropos. I use a journal spot. This one here is from Set Sail. I use the same one here in this tiny pocket. And then on this one, I use the puffy stickers to give some title to what was happening this week. It was my son's basketball camp all week. And I just thought that was important to make sure we knew what was going on. Underneath here, I can't say as I totally love this. So, oops, do we see that coming apart there? This is a bulky book, right? Bulky book. And my bulky book is not great for writing right on the pages. So I just took a 2-inch by 6-inch piece of paper and I wrote on it. I don't know that I love it. It's maybe I needed to type it. I don't know, but that's what I did there because I had a lot of journaling that day that I did want to go ahead and include. And so I just kind of kept everything right here. Not everything is literally on the day that it belongs to. Same thing with here. I have some journaling for Friday, again, on one of these Set Sail journal tags. And I already showed you the pocket and I have journaling in there. The stuffed pockets, I love these. I'm going to take a second here as we talk about the stuffed pocket because it comes with this large ledger journal piece. These are available in the shop right now. And I added this little circle sticker to it and I stamped it, but they can fit photos just super easy. And there's tags that pop into the slits that are on this particular technique of an idea here, this stuffed pocket. So there's a lot of photos in here. There's a lot of tags. There's a lot of journaling. And then this one here I thought was kind of fun. This is the last little tag. And there's actually white that come with this set that you could have in here instead of the same color ones. But I attached this little photo. I added journaling to it. So the thing here with this one I thought could be kind of fun. That could kind of like hang out on the outside or you could pop it inside. And again, with the definition stickers and big photo, more stamping from the July set. This one actually is from, help me out guys, what's that from? This camera here is from the April agenda. I have washi tape here, green here, and this page worked for me. Okay, now you can see where I have a part of a page of a week done. I have another part of the week not done, and that's okay. I'll get to it when I'm able to get to it. So in this month, or this week rather, there's a lot of the July Stop the Blur. Now, July Stop the Blur, if you are new, comes out right now. It's available the 15th of July, and it will be available for the next month. And so I'm going to point out some of those items. I don't have all my journaling done for this page yet, just a long photo. These end up being about 2 inches tall by 4 inches long to fit right in that section. This favorites I thought was actually really fun, which reminded me how much I do love prompt journaling. When something prompts you to do a journal, like favorites like dessert, candy, music genre, beverage, restaurant, destination. That's really fun to add those, or have your friends add them, or be at a party and have your those friends or your family do them, or whatever. It's just it's like currently, like it's where you are right now, because I guarantee you, like, try me 3 months later and this might all change again. Also in the July kit is this Grateful For. It's the same paper pad, prompt notepad, let's call it that. And it has quote of the day, 3 things that made me smile, the favorites, the Grateful For, and then today, like a today was kind of a thing. Super fun. This was the Grateful For. Again, 3 things that I was grateful. I mean, this could be on every day for me because I love doing that. Okay, this here, tell me how you really feel. I love this so much. No journaling yet, but look it's like a little booklet. How great is that? Isn't that so cool? And it's like a speech bubble. Okay, then big old picture in the middle. I did this a couple times. You're going to see on the next page, but I did summer again. This is the Market Fresh Alpha, and I stamped it with Evergreen Bough on vellum, and then I added it here. The Looking Forward To is from the July kit. It's the sticker sheet. You actually get 2 of these. And I just stuck a little arrow on it. That's also part of July, these puffy stickers. I've already used quite a few of the stickers, and just pointed to looking forward to summer because this is the first day of summer. There's my little smiley face. Look how cute he is. And then just basic adding a 2x2 photo, 2x2 photo. And then this is Always Exploring. This is the brand new to the shop Stamp Society for July. Super fun. Be sure and check out Heidi's live that she posted on Thursday the 13th that unpacks all this, and I have something to show you in the end about that. So one more page I can share with you, almost the last page of the month here with June. You can see it again. I did the summer. This time I have a little flippy place for plenty of journaling. I did the same thing on this page. Instead of like, okay, this day, this day, this day, I kind of just incorporated the whole week into what was happening. How do I want to say that? I kind of incorporated the whole week in sort of a scrapbook kind of page. So it's not segmented by each day. It kind of all blends together. This is super fun. This actually needs a little tag to make it easier to pull in and out of. These are the clear sleeves that were new this month. And I have this great wide photo, which I know I'm going to love this photo for so many reasons for years to come. Fantastic space inside there to either add more photos to add your journaling, or you could add these cards in there and fill that out like that. And then everyone asked for it. This has been out for a little while, but this is the die set for the little photo spinner. Look at how great that is. I can't wait to make more of these because I do love this so much. And I stamped it with the brand new August agenda that's out and available as well. But Heidi did this on one of hers, and I just love the whole stamp vibe on it, and it just totally fit. So, my friends, that is a look at my June, the pages that I have done. I'm actually really missing one page though, huh? Well, yay for me. I think that calls for a celebration because that is goals right there, people. I hope you have found some inspiration. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I super appreciate that. If you have any questions about any of the products, they'll be listed in the supplies below. And let me know what questions, thought, comments, questions, whatever you might have. And I'll see you in the next video.